Hey, so we're back and we're talking about now how to use the foam roller. The last time we were talking about why we use it. We want to loosen up our leg muscles so that we can actually make the hip alignments go easier. So now we're going to talk about how to use it. So the first muscle we're going to work is the IT band, the iliotibial band. It runs down the side of your leg. Really important in being able to loosen up the hip as well. So on this one, we're going to actually have you lay on your side, okay? And we're going to get you right on that muscle group. You use the other leg as your balance point so you can move. And then the patient's just going to move up and down along that IT band. It's going to be really sore when you do it, but the sore it is, the more you need to do it. So that's our recommendation. The next muscle that we work is the quad. Those are the muscles in the front of the leg. And here, patient's just going to move up and down on the foam roller. Is that pretty easy to do, Doc?
Real easy.
So it's not complicated. The way you do these is you roll it out until it's not so sore anymore. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes per muscle group. The next muscle is the hamstring, and that's in the back of your legs. And again, we're just rolling it out. You let the roller do all the work. You're just moving your body. The key is not to have your butt touch the table when you do it or the floor. And the next group of muscles is the calf. And the calf is the muscle at the bottom of the leg. And if it's particularly sore when you do it, again, it means that you should be doing it because there's a lot of calcium deposits in those muscle groups, keeping those muscles too tight. And then you can even do the side of your calf muscle, where you turn to the side. The leg that you're not working, you can actually use that as a control. When you loosen up your leg muscles, it will allow your hips to get aligned easier. Your hips actually are the basis point for your posture. As your posture improves, you'll look better, you'll move better, and you'll feel better.